Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to prepare these delicious chicken leg quarters. And guys, this is one recipe that you can actually prepare for Thanksgiving. I know a lot of people who don't do turkey. Now, this recipe, this chicken is so moist and juicy. It's delicious. And as always, guys, the ingredients are easy. And here are your ingredients. We have garlic. I think I have about maybe 5 or 6 cloves of garlics. Of course, I'm going to do some garlic powder. I have a little bit of sofrito. Guys, the sofrito is optional. I have a lemon, which I'm going to use some zest, and of course some of the juices. I have my red onions. Any onions will do, guys. Yes, I also have the onion powder. I have some oregano. Okay, this is gonna give the chicken licuados a delicious flavor. I have a little bit of olive oil, and I have, of course, my casero, which is adobo. It's an all-purpose seasoning. Whichever you choose is fine. And yes, I have some Tony's Creole seasoning. Just gonna spice these chicken leg quarters. So delicious. Yes, I have also some black pepper and a little bit of cilantro. If you notice, I did some incisions on the chicken. This is going to help with all the seasonings. I like to start with the lemon juice and then the olive oil, and then I just go ahead and add all my ingredients. Very easy. No complication here, guys. The key with this recipe as well is to at least marinate for 8 hours, and you can actually marinate up to 24 hours if you like. I am actually doing this before I go to work because this is going to be dinner this evening. So the key here is this: make sure you marinate so all these flavors marinate nicely in our chicken quarters, guys. Now let's go ahead and rub all these ingredients into these chicken quarters, guys. And you see the incisions. This is where we want to go ahead and put all the seasoning in between the incisions, guys. Now I'm going to do a little cilantro. It's going to give this a really nice flavor when the chicken is roasting in the oven. The garlic I also do last. This is going to give, between the garlic and the onions and the cilantro, it's going to really give these chicken leg quarters a really nice flavor. So good, so delicious. Now this is what your chicken should look like. It is completely seasoned and covered with all these deliciousness, guys. This is going to sit in my refrigerator for 8 hours. So I'll see you soon. In my Beetlejuice voice, it's showtime. I don't know about you, but I tell you what, so easy. And my life is just so easy when you pre-plan your meals. It's been a hectic day. You know what? This deliciousness has been marinating for 8 hours. This is actually gonna roast at 350 degrees for about an hour. You can serve this with a side salad. I'm gonna be serving my chicken leg quarters with some rice and red beans. and some aguacate, which is avocado. Now I believe I said 350, but it's actually 375. And for an hour, again, I always say this with your stoves and ovens, just keep an eye, okay? But mine's actually took an hour and they were perfectly cooked, juicy, and delicious. And I like to take some of the juices and just spread it all over the chicken. And the key with any meat, to me, let this sit for a few minutes before serving. You want all the juices and all the deliciousness of the seasoning marinate nicely. Now look how beautiful and delicious this look. I sure hope you guys have enjoyed this recipe. I hope you can fix this for your family and friends. It was so easy, guys. When I tell you this chicken was so juicy and delicious, just look at this. Just delicious. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell so you guys don't miss out on videos. Cheers. Bye bye. Until next time.